Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're not even going to talk about how long it's been. We're just gonna skip all of that and get into the tutorial. So as you can see, I don't know if you would consider these empress braids because usually the curls come out of the rest of the braids, but you can call it whatever you want. I call it empress braids because it looks like a little, oh, we got this coming out right now. We just like, I would consider empress braids because of the gold and the whole thing up here, just looking like an empress, you know. But yeah, let's get into it.
That's all you gonna say?
Can you guys explain what I'm doing in the video?
Yeah, search right here.
You
The
should
plat
search
one
for.
then. 4 plat.
Okay, nice, part neat.
That the part that I need.
Look neat to me.
It look neater.
Okay, baby, go girl.
Look for that.
You got it unlocked, girl. What
Oh,
your
that's-
baby up? Oh,
Where's
that
that
bread
go?
fast, Rennie.
See, I got braid. That's a braid? You call that braid? It don't look like braid to me. When you braid it come in tall, longer.
It looks good to me. Nice and neat. You go, girl.
So how would you bridge your hair, Dad?
Me that twist it like that. That twist and toast.
Yeah, Rennie. You got it unlocked.
Okay, so what am I doing to this side?
Must, I know this
Make
thing-
sure you get it neat like the other side now.
Right.
That no neat.
So how does it
That
look?
neat?
How does it look to you?
It look like it up on a circle.
No, it's not on a circle, Junior.
It's on a
You
bend?
don't know nothing about style anyway.
That's it.
Yeah, you get it, girl.
I could do that though.
So why didn't you do my hair when I was younger?
Your mother claims that she good.
You have
Watch
to.
out, look
Nice.
at that, look at that. Look on that.
Yeah, that's good. It's neat.
No.
It's neat. Your hair nice and thick though.
I give her that. Make her that. Make her that thick hair there.
Okay, if you say so.
Watch your braid.
Neat. Nice. You're doing a good job, baby.
See the couple left out of it. Couple left to go over back more. Put over more.
Yeah, you get the enzyme quite well.
Well.
Okay. I hope you can hide the back part looking all raggedy.
That's a swag.
The what?
That's how you swag.
A flag?
What is a swag, Dad?
Yeah, that's a swag.
Swag.
That's a swag.
A what? A what, Junior?
A swag.
A sub?
Yeah, swag right there.
What does that mean?
Style.
Explain.
Style.
Oh,
Oh,
so
style.
a stoog,
Oh.
a stoog is a style?
Yeah, that's a style. Swag that's a style.
Okay.
I don't know anymore because
Let's
I
see
don't
what
know.
kind of design you're coming up with. That one look like it little bit too big though, compared to the other one.
Hey, bird.
That's a V cut. That's a V style.
That's a swerve. That's not no
V.
V.
V. See? See the
What?
V right back there?
Renee, remember, look, I did your hair like that before, you never liked it. Oh, you're changing it up. Okay.
No, you didn't.
That's a ponytail, you know.
Where?
See the ponytail up there? Up in the top there?
Oh,
That's a ponytail. That's what they call
Junior,
ponytail.
she just catch that up till she
No,
start the
ponytail.
braid.
Okay, let out the ponytail. See, she put it back? Ponytail.
Junior,
That's a ponytail.
That's just
A swag with a ponytail.
She's not leaving it like that. She just catch it so she can do the braid.
And I move fast though.
It's on fast forward. That's why. No, that look kind of sloppy now, Ren. Right there.
No, that. What
You're gonna pull it out?
What happened with this again?
It's a style.
Yeah, then that's what I tell her, say that swag, but she don't want it. She want to give it a zigzag. I think.
I guess she's creating her own little
No, it's the same.
style to it.
Where the ponytail go? Ponytail in the back, eh? Oh, that's my girl. See the V style?
What V style? Crisscross.
Crisscross dead. That's V style.
Okay. Now I see. Okay. Yeah,
What
and
the
the
hell?
earth
What's the
hold
finger?
it
What's the
up so
finger?
long.
What's the finger?
Go, my girl.
I teach her that style now. See it? Teach her to do that.
Okay, that look nice.
Nice, Sarah, not true? Where the ponytail go?
Nice.
Ponytail
Oh,
it
you
up
look
now.
cute, baby.
Yeah, ponytail it. Ponytail it. Let us see the ponytail.
Okay. Oh, so you're adding all that crappy look underneath then.
No, it's style. Is it? That's it?
Looking neat.
A basket.
A basket. A basket. It look nice. Yeah, watch my queen. Look at my queen.
Yeah, you see
know.
there's a basket?
No, that's
Wrap.
a bun.
It's a wrap.
It's
It's
a
a wrap.
bun, yeah.
It's a basket with a wrap
Nice.
around it.
Oh, look at my baby. Looking all cute.
That look like the market
With
truck
her
then with the basket on top.
Chinese self.
Watch ya.
Oh, there's more to it. All right, let's see. All right. You're coming. Oh, you
Right,
release some of the. You loosen some of the hair. Okay, that's cute. All right. Oh, some gold bling bling going on. Okay.
Bling girl. Oh, that's the bling. That's the blingers.
Yeah, hot girl.
Look pan eye.
Chinese in the mix. Okay. Go on, girl, with your half Chinese self. Okay.
Oh.
Who creator?
Me. I'm the creator for that.
Okay guys, so that's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment if you want to see me do anything else in my other videos. I'm gonna try to keep up with, the YouTube trend, or keep up with making videos in general. But yes, that's the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay glossy.